Content. Yeah, I'm gonna get content. Nothing about recording, that's good then. Nothing about recording, so I can record it.
They're probably hibernating.
Yeah. I'm definitely gonna need to change the audio of this. I've got lots of songs to get.
I'm trying to think what band that is, I can't really.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not. Probably me. I'll get some.
Yeah, probably, right?
Huh? Oh, it's too slippery. If you go under my slippery. I'm trying to. Oh, for God's sake, don't do it. I don't want to get anyone's faces in there, that's my main problem. Pause it. Here we are.
Yeah, these are zebra finches. That's what they normally look like.
Tiny.
That's what zebra finches normally look like.
To make their own bed.
Oh, for God's sake. These animals may bite. Oh,
I really want to making a little nest.
Chickens are ugly.
What are you doing?
Making a nest for the eggs.
Oh, God.
So we'll make a nest with all the, for the eggs and then...
Is that what that was?
Poncho.
Yeah, that's what they do. Unless that big black...
That's brown one, isn't it?
yeah, that brown one may be laying, to be fair.
Maybe getting laid.
And what is the one doing?
So these are the two males, and then yeah, and then you've got that's pigeon then,
Yeah.
and then that's yeah, like a female pheasant.
The long they are.
Yeah, we've got the lake, we have the coffee and like an ice cream place over there.
Oh, I'm gonna have to do some.
I used to live over here with my kids.
Oh,
Yeah.
All water shoots out of those.
Really?
Yeah, definitely.
Pigeons. So this old one. Holy Jesus. To avoid faces. There's probably a place on getting faces in except a mentor. That's what is that?
Ain't moving.
Crabs.
I
No,
can't-
moving.
A loft rabbit.
What's that?
A loft rabbit.
Okay.
It's when there is a
Yeah.
loft, yeah.
Okay.
That's one of the rabbits.
Yeah, he just disappeared. There you go. Already got water. What is this?
Evidence files, okay?
I'll hang up for a second. So if I'm...
It's slippery.
I'm not lying, I've been to a park.
No, I know, yeah.
Yeah, we all been to the park, but it's all height. Oh, sorry. He does what? What?
Why don't we all have a go at this assault course thing?
I thought, of course. Oh, sure, I can try that.